So let's start video. First grid off and type limit. Set limit one side 0 0, another side 100 and 100. Z enter, E enter, or zoom extend. Then view, go to front view. For this drawing, figure number 4, we will use a right side view. Go to line command, click anywhere in the screen at a distance of 70 unit, then 30 unit off and 44 unit left, and then close. Again take line command and join this line. Again line command, click here, 30 unit off, 44 unit left, and then close. Sorry, this line should be 12 unit from left side as per figure. So 12 unit left and join. Again take line command, click here and 60 unit off and 26 unit right, then enter and click here to close. Take again line command, close this portion, click enter, then select all, J for join all the object. Now we should use press pull command. Press here and pull for a unit of 36 unit. Again press pull this portion at a height of 100 unit, and this portion also for a unit of 100, and this portion 88 unit. 100 minus 12 is equal to 88 unit. Shift plus scroll. So go to right view, as some portion is left out, so press and a unit of 16 unit. Change the view shade of gray for better visualization. Copy an edge command, select this edge at a distance of 40 unit, enter, click line command, click here and close. This portion has been extended beyond this limit, so we should press pull it. Press pull. It was 88 unit, but we need 12 unit, so 88 minus 12 is equal to 76 unit. Click enter. Now this portion has been moved here, so copy, click here, drag it and press here. Now press pull command, click here, now edge and copy command, select this edge, select solid, click here at a distance of 10 unit, enter, again take line command, click here, 10 unit off. Now this line is no longer necessary, so this line should be erased. Select this line and erase. Okay, now click again line command, click here and close it Go to place pool command, click here and place it to this surface. Okay. Now this portion is extra, so trim this portion by place pull. Place here and pulled. So this drawing is created, and now join all this portion to create a solid surface. Click here, select this portion, yes, click enter. Now move this whole object and delete this line. Go to hidden command, hidden the line beyond this picture. Go to top view, drag it, go to southeast isometric view, okay, this drawing has been completed.